So my first micro that we're gonna talk about is my Romanian made Micro Draco. Alright, this Micro Draco has gone through some serious changes over the years. Alright, this is the first one that I ever put on my channel, and this is the one that was tactical at first. And then I went on and started putting wood on everything, and this one got the wood put on it. And this one actually used to have the binary trigger on it. But when I took the brace off of the back, I also took the binary off because this thing is uncontrollable without the brace on it when you have a binary on it. So this is, I will say this Micro Draco has been with me for years, and I actually love this gun. Actually really love this gun, and you know, the videos that I've made with it have been fun. So this without the brakes for the first time. Yo, that's fine. That's fine. Damn.
You found
it. Very fun, actually. I shot up the car with this and done a lot of stuff with this gun. So let me go through all the stuff that's done to it right now. First off, we have the Draco color wood from Kalashnikov, and again with the wood that's on this Draco, he actually sketched it out and, you know, ran it by me first and asked me if this is what I wanted, and yeah, this is what I wanted on here. And this is Osage orange wood, and this is a set that was specially made for this gun. And you know, you need to go holler at Kalashnikov. He does great work, absolutely awesome work. And as I said, I took the binary trigger off of this weapon. The binary trigger was taken off, and I put a Hyperfire Mark III on here. And with that, I also put the Hyperfire safety. Had to switch the safety out to the Hyperfire safety. And this is a 2.5 pound trigger, so this trigger fires very well. Very good trigger, very good trigger. I actually polished the bolt on this as well, and we have a Damage Industry blast sleeve with a Vortec muzzle brake in it. So I know it's a lot to this mouthful, but like I said, this is a blast sleeve around a Vortec brake, and it projects everything forward because this gun is ridiculously loud. You do not want to be standing beside this gun. The concussion is terrible. The sound is terrible and everything, but this kind of mitigates it and keeps everything moving forward. So, you know, that's pretty much the long and short. And like I said, this gun has gone through many changes, and this is the final form of this gun right now. Well, until I put the brace back on it. You can see where the brace was at. I haven't gotten around to put the brace back on it, but it will be placed back on it. And this is the Romanian made Micro Draco. Now we have the Micro Visca. All right, this is made by Vermont Stamping. I don't know what the KA stands for, but the VS is Vermont Stamping, made in Vermont. And you know, this is the American made version of the Micro Draco, and this came with different wood on it, of course, and you know, funky looking wood and all that, and came with a US palm grip on it as well. And of course I changed all that out. This has WAS Wood Twerks wood on it now, and I basically didn't really do a whole lot to this gun. All I really did was put the wood, added the cheese grater on top, put a sight on it, which it already came with the rail on it, and added a JMac LAF 14, and this is Kalashnikov USA KUSA magazine, and that is basically all that I've done to this gun. And you know, I may go ahead and add a brace to it because it's pre-drilled for a brace, and I may go ahead and change the trigger out on it as well, you know, but we shall see. I don't know if I really want to do anything else to this. And just in case you were wondering, this is called the Dr. Manhattan build. And for those of you who know who Dr. Manhattan, you'll know why I call it the Dr. Manhattan build. And this Micro actually has a set partner. These two basically are my blue set. This is the blue set, and you know, these travel together, stay together, these work together. These are freaking frack as far as I'm concerned, but this is the blue set. So there you got it. There you have it. This is American made Micro Draco. Not too much done to it, just changed the look a little bit and made it match up with the Walther Q5 match. The Walther Q5 match, turned it into a blue set. Alright, so you know, just like I did in the other video, we have these two Micro Romanian Micro and American made Micro. Which one do you like the best? So, you know, you guys tell me. And the next video, we're gonna do the NAC 9s. We're gonna do the 9mm Dracos, and I might as well throw the Pac 9 in there as well. So we're gonna do the 9mm Dracos and a Pac 9. And you guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. And also so you can check out these. I got some awesome Pac 9s. So, Itsjohnnysnow up out here.